Jelly Bean Story Page, Rikki Tikki Tavi and the Mungoose's Marvelous Adventures, A Tale of Friendship. Chapter 1, The Arrival of Rikki Tikki Tavi. In a sunny garden in India, there lived a brave and adventurous mongoose named Rikki Tikki Tavi. He was small but full of energy, with sleek fur and sharp eyes that sparkled with curiosity. Rikki Tikki Tavi loved to explore and play in the garden, chasing butterflies and rolling in the grass. One day, as Rikki Tikki Tavi was basking in the warm sunshine, he heard a rustling sound coming from a nearby bush. With a curious twitch of his nose, he bounded over to investigate. And there, coiled up and ready to strike, was a big, menacing cobra. Chapter 2, The Battle Begins. Rikki Tikki Tavi's fur bristled with excitement as he faced the cobra. The cobra hissed and lunged at him, but Rikki Tikki Tavi was quick and nimble. He dodged and weaved, dancing around the cobra's strikes with lightning-fast reflexes. With a swift pounce, Rikki Tikki Tavi leaped at the cobra, biting and scratching with all his might. The cobra recoiled in surprise, but Rikki Tikki Tavi was relentless. He fought bravely, determined to protect his garden and his friends. Chapter 3, Victory Dance. After a fierce battle, Rikki Tikki Tavi emerged victorious. The cobra slithered away, defeated and humbled by the brave mongoose. With a triumphant squeak, Rikki Tikki Tavi did a little victory dance, jumping and twirling with joy. The other animals in the garden gathered around, cheering and applauding Rikki Tikki Tavi's bravery. From that day on, he was hailed as a hero, the fearless defender of the garden. Chapter 4, A New Friend. As Rikki Tikki Tavi celebrated his victory, he noticed a small mouse peeking out from behind a flower pot. The mouse looked timid and scared, so Rikki Tikki Tavi approached him with a friendly smile. "Don't be afraid," said Rikki Tikki Tavi. "The cobra is gone now, thanks to me. What's your name?" The mouse blinked nervously. "I'm Timmy," he squeaked. "Thank you for saving us, Rikki Tikki Tavi." Rikki Tikki Tavi smiled warmly. "You're welcome, Timmy. Would you like to be friends? We can play together and explore the garden." Timmy's eyes lit up with excitement. "Yes, please, I would love to be friends with a brave mongoose like you." And so, Rikki Tikki Tavi and Timmy became the best of friends, embarking on many adventures together in the garden. Chapter 5, The Mischievous Squirrel. One sunny afternoon, Rikki Tikki Tavi and Timmy were playing tag in the garden when they heard a mischievous chittering coming from the trees. It was Nutmeg, the squirrel, swinging from branch to branch with a twinkle in his eye. "Hey, you two," called Nutmeg. "Wanna play a game of hide and seek?" Rikki Tikki Tavi and Timmy exchanged excited glances. "Sure," they chorused. Nutmeg giggled and scampered off to hide, while Rikki Tikki Tavi and Timmy counted to 10. Then, they set off to find Nutmeg, darting and dashing through the trees with laughter in their hearts. Chapter 6, Trouble Strikes. Just as Rikki Tikki Tavi and Timmy were getting close to finding Nutmeg, they heard a loud cry for help coming from the direction of the pond. Without hesitation, they raced over to investigate. To their horror, they saw Nutmeg dangling precariously from a branch over the water, his tail caught in a tangled vine. He looked scared and helpless, unable to free himself. "Help me, please," cried Nutmeg. "I'm stuck." Chapter 7, Teamwork Saves the Day. Rikki Tikki Tavi and Timmy sprang into action, working together to rescue Nutmeg from his predicament. Rikki Tikki Tavi used his sharp teeth to gnaw through the vine, while Timmy tugged gently on Nutmeg's tail to help him wiggle free. With a final heave-ho, Nutmeg popped out of the vine and tumbled into Rikki Tikki Tavi's waiting paws. He landed with a soft thud and shook himself off, looking relieved and grateful. Thank you," exclaimed Nutmeg, hugging his two friends tightly. "You saved me." Rikki Tikki Tavi grinned proudly. "That's what friends are for, Nutmeg." We're always here to help each other. Chapter 8, The Great Feast. To celebrate their heroic rescue, Rikki Tikki Tavi, Timmy, and Nutmeg decided to have a grand feast in the garden. They gathered berries, nuts, and seeds from the trees, and even found some delicious bugs and grubs to munch on. As they feasted and laughed together, Rikki Tikki Tavi felt a warm glow of happiness in his heart. He was grateful for his wonderful friends and the adventures they shared. Chapter 9, A Lesson Learned. As the sun began to set and the stars twinkled overhead, Rikki Tikki Tavi and his friends sat together, feeling content and full. Nutmeg sighed happily and leaned against Rikki Tikki Tavi's side. "Today was amazing," said Nutmeg. "I'm so glad we're friends." Rikki Tikki Tavi nodded in agreement. "Me too, Nutmeg. And you know what? Today, we learned something important." "What's that?" asked Timmy, tilting his head curiously. "We learned that no matter how small we are, we can make a big difference when we work together," said Rikki Tikki Tavi. "And that's the most important lesson of all." Chapter 10, A Surprise Visit. Just then, a rustling sound interrupted their conversation. Rikki Tikki Tavi, Timmy, and Nutmeg turned to see who it was, and to their surprise, they saw a familiar face peeking out from behind a bush. It was the cobra, the one Rikki Tikki Tavi had defeated in battle. Chapter 11, The Changed Cobra. The cobra slithered out into the open, looking sheepish and apologetic. "I'm sorry for causing trouble," he said, his voice soft and sincere. "I was just scared and didn't know what else to do." Rikki Tikki Tavi approached the cobra cautiously, his eyes searching for any sign of deceit. But he saw none. Instead, he saw a creature who was genuinely remorseful for his actions. Chapter 12, Forgiveness and Friendship. Rikki Tikki Tavi's heart softened as he looked at the cobra. He remembered how he had felt when he first arrived in the garden, scared and alone. He knew what it was like to be judged for his appearance and feared for his reputation. With a smile, Rikki Tikki Tavi reached out a paw to the cobra. Quote,